Hello friends, today we shall discuss functional dependent on higher order derivatives Euler-Poisson equation. Functional involving derivative of higher order. Let us consider a functional of the form Vyx equal to the integral from x1 to x2 fx yx y dash x y double dash x up to and so on ynx dx with the boundary conditions given by boundary conditions given by yx1 equal to y1 y dash x1 equal to y1 dash y double dash x1 equal to y1 double dash up to and so on y n minus 1 x1 equal to 1 y1 n minus 1 yx2 equal to y2 y dash x2 equal to y2 dash y double dash x2 equal to y2 double dash up to and so on y n minus 1 x2 equal to y2 n minus 1. Now consider y equal to yx and its comparison करो y equal to y bar x are differentiable 2n times differentiable 2n times now let us take one parameter family of functions yx alpha equal to yx plus alpha del y, where del y equal to y bar x minus yx y dash x alpha equal to y dash x plus alpha del y dash y double dash x alpha equal to y double dash x plus alpha del y double dash up to and so on y n x alpha equal to y n alpha y n x plus alpha del y n. Now for alpha equal to 0, yx alpha equal to yx and for alpha equal to 1, yx alpha equal to y bar x. Now for extremum, equal to d by d alpha v yx alpha at alpha equal to 0 equal to 0. This is denoted by 1. This is equal to d by d alpha, the integral from x1 to x2, capital F x comma y x alpha y dash x comma alpha up to and so on y n x comma alpha dx at alpha equal to 0. This is equal to 0. This implies del I, this implies del V equal to the integral from x1 to x2 fy del y plus fy dash del y dash plus fy double dash del y double dash plus up to and so on plus fyn del yn dx equal to 0. This is denoted by 2. Now the integral from x1 to x2 fy dash del y dash dx is equal to fy dash del y from x1 to x2 minus the integral from x1 to x2 dy by dx of fy dash del y dx. This is denoted by a1. Similarly, the integral from x1 to x2 fy double dash del y double dash dx is equal to fy dash del y dash from x1 to x2 minus the integral from x1 to x2 d by dx of fy double dash del y dash dx. This equation is denoted by a2. This is equal to fy dash del y dash from x1 to x2 minus d by dx of fy double dash del y from x1 to x2 minus the integral from x1 to x2 d2 by dx2 fy double dash del y dx. We can denote this a2. Continuing in this way, the integration of the last term will be the integral from x1 to x2 fyn del yn dx equal to fyn del yn minus 1 from x1 to x2 minus d by dx of fyn del yn minus 2 from x1 to x2 up to and so on, plus minus 1 power n, the integral from x1 to x2 dn by dxn fyn del y dx. Here sign is minus and here the sign will be plus up to and so on, plus minus 1 की power n minus 1 power n. The integral from x1 to x2 dn by dxn fyn del y dx. But at the boundary points that is x equal to x1 and x equal to x2, the values del y equal to 0, del y dash equal to 0, del y double dash equal to 0 up to and so on, del y n minus 1 equal to 0. This equation is denoted by an and this is denoted by an plus 1. Put all the values from a1, a2 up to and so on, an plus 1 in equation 2 we have del v equal to the integral from x1 to x2 fy minus d by dx of fy dash plus d2 by dx2 of fy double dash minus up to and so on plus minus 1 power n dn by dxn fyn del y dx equal to 0. Now, by using the fundamental lemma of calculus of variation, by using the fundamental lemma of calculus of variation, we have fy minus d by dx of fy dash plus d2 by dx2 of fy double dash minus up to and so on plus minus 1 power n dn by dxn fyn equal to 0. this equation is of order 2n and is known as Euler-Poisson equation. Now we see an example. Find the extremal of the functional Vyx equal to the integral from 0 to pi by 2 y double dash minus y square plus x square dx, satisfying the boundary conditions y0 equal to 1, y dash 0 equal to 0, y pi by 2 equal to 0, y dash pi by 2 equal to minus 1. Solution. Here capital F equal to y double dash minus y square plus x square, this is denoted by 1. The Euler-Poisson equation will be Fy minus d by dx of Fy dash plus d2 by dx2 of Fy double dash equal to 0. This is denoted by 2. Now Fy equal to minus 2i. Here capital F equal to y double dash minus y square. So Fy equal to 0 minus 2i plus 0 equal to minus 2i. Fy dash equal to 0, Fy double dash equal to 2y double dash. This implies y, the fourth derivative of y minus y equal to 0, that is d4y by dx4 minus y equal to 0. Here Fy equal to minus 2i minus d by dx of 0, this terms becomes 0, plus d2 by dx2 of fy double dash means the fourth derivative of y. So we have d4y by dx4 minus y equal to 0, which is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now the solution of this differential equation is the solution of the differential equation now the solution of this differential equation will be y equal to c1 exponential of x plus c2 exponential of minus x plus c3 sin x plus c4 cos x. Also y dash equal to c1 exponential of x minus c2 exponential of minus x plus c3 cos x minus c4 sin x. Now using boundary conditions, the boundary conditions we have c1 plus c2 plus c4 equal to 1, c1 minus c2 plus c3 equal to 0, c1 exponential of pi by 2 plus c2 exponential of minus pi by 2 plus c3 equal to 0, and c1 exponential of pi by 2 minus c2 exponential of minus pi by 2 minus c4 equal to minus 1. On solving these equations, we have c1 equal to 0, c2 equal to 0, c3 equal to 0 and c4 equal to 1. Then y equal to cos x. Putting these values c1, c2, c3 and c4 in the solution of the given of the differential equation d4y by dx4 minus y equal to 0, we have y equal to cos x. Hence, the extremum occurs along the curve y equal to cos x. Thank you for your attention.